dear children, welcome back to the educational platform of Sri Basva Public School. Dear children, in the previous class we were discussing the lesson called An Alert Baker. Unit 2, lesson number 2, An Alert Baker. Let us conclude this story in today's session. In this session, we are going to study about reading last 5 paragraphs of the lesson, explanation and new words. Before going to start today's paragraphs, I would like to ask a few questions which are related to the previous paragraphs. Here it is, first one question. Whose that toy drum? Whose that toy drum? Yes, the toy drum belonged to Paul. Belonged to Paul. Next one question. Who was Paul? Who was Paul? Paul was the baker's youngest son. The baker's youngest son. And the last question. Which was the source of the sound? Which was the source of the sound? Yes. The source of the sound was marbles on a toy drum. Marbles are dancing on a toy drum. Is it clear, students? With this, let us move on to the next paragraphs. Here it is. I will read. Listen carefully. The baker began to tremble. Then, composing himself, he rushed out. He had to warn the rulers of the Turks' plan. The rulers immediately sent a team, led by their army chief, to the baker's house. They too saw the drum rattle, the marbles dancing on the head of the drum. They heard the regular tap-tap of the pickaxe and were convinced that the Turks were digging a tunnel right into the city. The Austrians opened the city gates and took the Turks by surprise. After a short but fierce battle, the Turks turned and fled, leaving the Austrians free at last. The emperor then called the baker to the palace. I have heard that we all owe our safety to you. A toy drum and marbles alerted you, and you found out the reason. You took timely steps, and now we are free and safe. How can we reward you, my good man? Your Majesty, I am a man of humble beginnings. I do not want riches or rank, but give me permission, if possible, that I may bake my bread in the shape of a crescent, which is on the Turkish flag. This way, those who eat my bread will always remember our great victory. The emperor was surprised at this strange request, but he granted it at once. Young man, please send the first lot you bake to the palace so that I can enjoy it first. The baker's crescent-shaped bread became so famous that he soon made a fortune on it. He named it the Vienna roll. The Vienna roll. So this is the last paragraphs of the lesson. Here we have the list of the meaning of new words. Children, here see one word I have given, crescent. It means a kind of flag which is the shape of the half moon. Half moon. It is in Turkish flag. Here you can see the shape of the crescent. Is it clear, students? So take the screenshot and write it in your English notebook, and don't forget to underline these words in your course book. Is it clear? Yes. Now let us know the meaning of today's paragraphs with picture. In the last class we discussed the baker came to know that the Turks started digging tunnel under the walls of the city, Vienna city. Here tunnel means holes, digging holes in underground of the walls. Okay children, next. The baker began to tremble. Tremble means shaking with fear. Then composing means managing to calm himself, and went to inform the rulers that what was the Turks doing. The rulers immediately sent a group of soldiers to the house of baker. They too saw the sound of the drum, and also they observed marbles dancing on the drum. They too heard the regular tap sound of the pickaxe. Then they were confirmed that the Turks were digging a tunnel underground of the walls of the city, Vienna city. When the Austrians came to know that this incident, they opened the gates, all gates, and they came to know a group of Turks were coming from the gate. This incident made them very surprised. To whom? To the enemies. This incident made the enemies very surprised. After a short violent battle between Turks and Austria, the Turks turned and fled. It means fled means ran away. And now the Austrians were free and safe at last. Then the king called the baker to the palace and said that, "My good man, you alerted everyone and found out the reason in the right time, and also saved our city and palace, so that the king wants to honor to the baker," and said, "How can we reward you, my good man?" Then the baker replied that he was not ready to take any riches or rank. His request was only prepare bread in the shape of a crescent. Here crescent means what? It is a kind of flag which is the shape of half moon. It is in Turkish flag. So this way those who eat my bread will always remember our great victory. So that please give me permission to prepare the shape of crescent. Then the king was surprised at his strange and very good thought, and happily granted his request, and said that, "My young man, please send to the palace first one lot you bake, so that I can enjoy it first." After preparing this crescent-shaped bread, the baker became very famous, and soon he became rich person, and named that bread as the Vienna roll. Here see, everybody is impressed by that shape, curious by that shape, and purchasing more. So he became very rich and very famous for that shape of the bread, and he named that bread as the Vienna roll. Which shape that is? Crescent. Is it clear, students? So this is complete explanation of the lesson called An Alert Baker. We have completed this lesson in today's session. Hope you understood clearly. Is it clear now? Yes. So you can see the homework. Write the meaning of new words and question answer which are given in this video. So before reading today's paragraphs, I have given 3 question answer. Is it no? Yes. Now those also question answer write down, and meaning of new words in English notebook. Is it clear now? So next one homework. Read the whole lesson and all meaning of new words and also question answer. Hope it is clear to you all. So we will back with a new lesson in the next session. Till then, goodbye. See you again. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.